Morning, children. Welcome to the English class. Yes, story time. New chapter. It is kite fight. Yes, when I say kite, isn't it related to the festival which is approaching in this month? Yes, any guesses which festival? Sankranti. Yes. Again festival. है ना? Festival means lot of fun, especially for the children, isn't it? And especially for the boys, है ना? So today I'm going to narrate a story about the kite fight. Let us see, children. Okay, let us begin. Now there was one boy. His name was Vinay. He just looked up at the sky, and he said, "Oh, there's no cloud. Okay, it's a good day for the kites." And now, as I have promised Geeta that I'm going to teach kite flying, so I will call Geeta to my house. Now, when I went to the storeroom, and there were many kites there, very colorful kites, small kites, big kites. Okay, some had a very bright patterns on them, and others had a long colorful tails also. Now Geeta, now he is saying to himself, now he is selecting the kite and he's saying, now the Geeta will like this one. Oh, no, 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 this one. Now he's selecting the kite, okay? And he said, and he took a large green color kite of the wall. It must be hanging on the wall. So he took a large green color kite, and a little later, what happened? Vinay, after selecting the kite, he phoned Geeta. He called up. He said that, please come over and I'm going to teach you kite flying. And she was very happy to learn how to fly the kite. She came over in few minutes only, and she had to just climb over the wall. Okay, what does this say? Is that she was just saying next to Vinay. So Vinay and Geeta went up onto the roof, okay, on the terrace, and the Vinay, he unwound a bit of a kite string. Look, children, these were the kites, colorful kites with a long string. Okay, here they are on the terrace, and he unwound means वो जो आपका string होता है ना, जिसपे आपका string रहता है ना, that reel you say, isn't it? On that you have a string. Unwound means उसने string निकाला. He unwound. Wound means to again roll it back. String को roll back करना. Unwound means उसको remove करना. तो जब आपको फ्लाइट करना रहता है, when you have to fly the kite, you have to unwound the string. Try to do this on the Sankranti day. And then he stood at one end of the terrace, as you can see in the picture. One end the Vinay is standing, okay, and the other end Geeta is standing, and Vinay told that please hold it like this. He is teaching now, okay, to hold like this. This is how the way the Geeta is holding is been instructed by Vinay. He said that when I will tell you to go, you throw up the kite in the air. Okay, who said this? Yes, Vinay. So Geeta did as she was told, and she held the kite and she waited. And now is shouted. Vinay said, "Come on, let it go." So Geeta gently lifted the kite and let go the side to the sides. Now the kite is started fluttering now. It fluttered, it's dipping sometime. Dipping means coming down, again soared into the air like a bird. Soared means again going up into the air. You must have seen some along with the air, when the wind is blowing, it's along with the wind, the kite comes down, again it goes up, again it comes down, again then it flutters here and there, it waves. So Geeta was very excited. The green kite climbed higher and higher, and it got smaller and smaller. As you fly the kite, see, when it is in front of you, it looks big, and as it goes high up in the sky, it looks smaller and smaller, right? So Vinay showed Geeta how to hold the string, how to let it slide through her fingers and to not get it cut. Means because the thread is very, they use the glass and some things to make it sharp. Now the thread is very sharp, and why they put a glass powder on the thread with a string in order to cut the other kite है ना, the string, है ना. So it's very dangerous. So when I taught her that how to roll it, because you have to use your fingers. You can see as it is over here. The finger has been used. Through the fingers the string is coming out and without cutting. That is what he taught Geeta. Okay, he showed her how to give it a sharp pull. Usko पीछे खींचना, to pull it back like this, and again to make the kite fly high up. Okay, now the kite turned, it toppled, okay, it caught the wind and went higher, and then swooped low, again niche, again up and down. And you must have seen the kite. Oh, what a fun, cried Geeta. Geeta was very excited. Okay, then suddenly what happened? Another kite appeared in the sky, as you can see in the picture. Look, Vinay! Now Geeta is saying, there's a black kite next to us. Here you can see. Ah, cried Geeta. I know, said Vinay. It's a big red eyes. Be careful, Geeta. It's dangerous and it belongs to Mohan. He will also try to cut your string, so better be careful. The black kite got closer and closer, and it had red eyes, made it look like a monster. Have you come across this word monster in any of the chapter? Do you remember? Yes, musicians of the Bremen. Do you remember, children? Yes. The two kites dodged each other. Ek idhar, ek idhar. Again, one here, one that side. Like a fighter in a war dance. Fighter means how the soldiers they fight on the field. है ना? The same way. Then what shall we do? Vinay, cried Geeta. It's getting very close to us. See, look to our kite. Then Vinay said, my kite? It's your kite. Don't say this. It's yours, Geeta, now. You are in control because it is in your hand. It's not my kite. It's not our kite. It is your kite. So keep your eye on it. आप आँख वहाँ से हटाना नहीं. उसको watch करते रहो. Pull hard when I tell you. Okay? Come on, get ready, Geeta. Geeta opened her eyes and watched. Sorry, children. Wait. Yes, here how it looks. Mohan's kite with black color, big car, red eyes. Okay, dangerous, look like a monster. Okay, then what happened? Yes, Geeta opened her eyes, okay, wide and watched carefully as Vinay was telling. Now Vinay said, "Now stop, stop." Vinay shouted, shouted Vinay. Okay, Geeta tugged hard. Geeta said, "Come on, pull it." So Geeta ने उसको pull out. You know when the string is in your hand, you have to pull it down. Okay, so Geeta, when Nina said, "Come on, pull it hard," so Geeta did the same thing. She followed the instructions. Okay, then the green kite tipped low. Green kite नीचे से आई. हाँ नीचे आई. Then Vinay helped to reel in the string. Now the string, now as she pulled, so some of the string had come out, है ना? Extra string. So what did Vinay said? Vinay ने string में उसको reel करना शुरू किया. He helped to reel in the string. And then as by magic the monster began to float away, tumbling, falling and dropping. Which kite I said? Monster I said. I did not say the green kite. After the Geeta pulled it hard, what happened after that? Do you know? One of the kite was floating, tumbling, falling, and dropping. Geeta stared in amazement. She was surprised. Amazement means to see in surprise, to see in wonder. Her eyes were as big as saucer. Saucer means कप का जो नीचे का saucer plate होता है, it was looking like big big eyes. We won, she cried. देखो देखो देखो. My kite is still there on the sky, and then that monster black kite is flying. Wow! No, said Vinay. We have not won. When Geeta said, we won, he said, no, you won, Geeta. Last week, I lost, 3 kites to that monster. Vinay said, मैंने 3 kites को खोया. I lost my 3 kites because of this monster, and today you have cut down. You have won the first battle in your life. Victory is yours. Victory na aap jeet gayi ho. Okay? Yes. Slowly the children reeled in the green kite. उन्होंने string को रखा, green kite लिया. And so is the green kite, Vinay whispered as he handed it to Geeta. See now, Vinay is giving the green kite to Geeta. And when he said, no, this is all yours, you have won, and the victory is yours, aap jeet gayi hai. So Geeta felt like a princess with a new crown. Isn't it? First time she had come to learn how to fly the kite, and the first time, the first day, she could, yes, cut the other kite. And which was that kite, beta? It was a monster with the two big eyes, isn't it? And that, what did Vinay say? The same kite had cut Vinay's three kites last week, he said. So even Vinay was very happy, and Geeta was very happy. Right, children? So I hope forward that the children, you are going to enjoy the Sankranti in this, which is coming in the this month, that is January month, better. So that's all for today. Okay, I hope you must have enjoyed the story. Thank you. God bless you.